Good morning, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Belen Alberca, 42 years old, a single mother of one. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. I am from Davao City, Philippines. I had working experience abroad for 8 years. My first work experience was February 27, 2014 to May 16, 2016 in Kuwait City. I served 5 people, 4 adults and 5-year-old kids. My main duties are doing household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, and washing the clothes, and also I'm taking care of the 5-year-old boy. My second work experience was August 29, 2017 to August 29, 2019 in Hong Kong. I served 4 people, 2 adults and two kids, ages 9 and 13. My main duties are doing household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing the clothes, marketing, and also I take good care of the kids, bring them to the school every day, and pick up them from the school every day. My third experience was August 29, 2019 to August 29, 2023 in Hong Kong also. I served 3 people, 2 adults and 4-year-old baby girl. My main duties are doing household chores like cooking, cleaning, ironing the clothes, washing the clothes, marketing, gardening, and taking care of one pet dog. Every day, I bring the kids to the school, then I pick up her from the school every day. For my future employer, I am loyal, honest, trustworthy, patient, obedient, and also to my future employer, I'm looking forward to work with you in the future. Thank you.